3 reasons why you should become flexible. Now imagine that you're laying down peacefully on the floor. Could go wrong. Oh no, a roach! Oh no, another one on your left! What should I do? Oh wait, I'm flexible. Whack! Now it's dead on both sides. There was no way that you could have rolled out of the way, but instead, you've conquered your fears and whack-a-moled them. But you want to make sure that they're still dead, so you want to make sure you're able to do more than once. So you should build your endurance so that you can whack them a lot. Imagine you're too lazy to take off your shoes with your hands, so instead, you take off you take off your shoes with your feet. Perfect solution for when you're too lazy to use your hands. Thank you. When your shoes are untied, just hop into a split and tie your shoes. Like, what if you're too lazy to bend down? Just slide into the split. Bye.